My guy. I don't know what happened. I sent you a snack update yesterday. What was some pretzels? Chocolate covered pretzels. Kind of had to wash out the onion covered pretzels for some chocolate covered pretzels. They were much better yesterday. But I don't know, I didn't save it and I didn't send it to you. Just bummed about that, man. I'm sorry. Anyway, well, late night snack for me here today. Classic banana. You can't beat it. Late night snack. Still a little bit of sugar in there, but you also feel like you're not. Feels healthy for you. Yeah, it's gonna be good right before bed. My aunt swears that on nights that you've been out dehydrating yourself, banana keeps the cramps away. Seems to work. Anyway, sorry I missed you yesterday, man. Meant to send it over. I just must have forgot to hit the send button. It's gonna be a busy week for me. Flying out early tomorrow morning, going to Chattanooga, Tennessee, flying to Atlanta, come back, and then come back on Wednesday, turn around and flying out to North Carolina on Thursday. So, gonna get some snack updates from me across the country this week. Looking forward to it. Hope you're doing well, man. Let me know what's up.